Kishane Thompson has taken the sprinting world by storm, securing his place as one of the top 100-meter sprinters with a stunning silver medal at the 2024 Paris Olympics. With a personal best of 9.75 seconds, a world-leading time, and an undeniable focus, Thompson's rise from an injury-prone athlete to a major contender has been nothing short of extraordinary. But the burning question remains: can Kishane Thompson claim the 100-meter gold at the upcoming Tokyo World Championships? In this video, we dive deep into Kishane Thompson's remarkable journey, analyzing his performance, challenges, and what's next in his quest to make history. Let's dive right into it. Since coming on the scene by running 9.91 seconds in the 100-meter heats at the 2023 Jamaica National Championship, the world has been waiting to see the speed unleashed from this calm but deadly athlete.
Athletes on their mark. Sent away cleanly. Good start for Ackeem Blake as usual. Here comes Walker, and on the outside, Ryan Ford running well. Look at Kishane Thompson on the outside though. Kishane Thompson, wow! 991!
Despite not competing beyond the 100-meter heats at that national championship, Kishane Thompson ended the season with a then personal best of 9.85 seconds done at the ZMN Diamond League.
Great start from Coleman in lane 4, fabulous start. Oh, and Bracey Williams has gone back. Ackeem Blake, in fact, but look at this. The running here from Christian Coleman. He's not going to be caught in this day, or is he? Wow, so tight there. Was that Kishane Thompson on the near side in lane 10, I think.
Thompson's coach, Stephen Frano Francis of the MVP Track Club, has highlighted that Thompson's injury struggles have been a significant factor in his limited appearances on the track until the 2024 season. He ran 3 solid races at the 2024 Jamaican Olympic trials, with his best time being a personal best world-leading time of 9.77 seconds to win the final.
Seville and Thompson got away like rockets. Seville looks imperious. Thompson looks imperious and commanding as well. Kishane Thompson steps to the fore and gets there. 9.73. Oh, goodness gracious me. It's a new stadium record.
This performance made him the favorite to win the 100-meter at the Paris Olympics. However, he was unable to win gold at the Paris Olympics because Noah Lyles of the United States outran him to cross the line in 9.79 seconds to win. Thompson took silver in the same time, as that decision came down to thousandths of a second. After the Paris Olympics, Thompson ended his season and began to prepare for the Tokyo World Championships. This season, Kishane Thompson has been a lot more consistent, as he has only lost once so far, and that was to Akani Simbine at the Shanghai Diamond League, where Thompson opened his season with 9.99 seconds. Since that performance, Kishane Thompson has been on an upward trajectory with a 100-meter win with 9.88 seconds at the Racers Grand Prix just a few weeks before the Jamaica National Championship.
The set position, away they go. Kishane Thompson got a very good start. Seville has catching up to do. Kishane Thompson looks imperious. He looks commanding. He takes command. Goes away in great style. Kishane Thompson.
The Jamaica National Championship saw Kishane Thompson putting on a 100-meter clinic as he jogged his heat with 10.12 seconds and turned things up in the final with 9.80 seconds. The final took some time to start because Oblique Seville was facing discomfort before the start of the race. However, that did not deter Kishane Thompson as he remained focused on his lane. The starters sent off the athletes. Kishane Thompson executed a powerful performance to cross the line in a personal best, world-leading time, and the best 100-meter performance in 10 years, with 9.75 seconds to make his second major championship team.
Set position, bang, sent off. Seville gets out quickly, so too does Thompson. Thompson takes charge. Thompson pulls away from the field. Ackeem Blake. Here comes Seville as well. Seville gets second behind Thompson. 9.71 with the flash time.
This was quite a significant accomplishment because the world had turned its attention to Kishane Thompson. A week later, Thompson followed up his 100-meter win at the Jamaica National Championship with a 9.85 second win to become the first Jamaican man since meet record holder Steve Mullings to win the 100-meter at the Prefontaine Classic.
Good start there from Thompson, really good start from Coleman, but Thompson picks him up and is moving away now, and he's moving away from this field. Every single one of them coming through very late on the near side. Hassan Al-Hughes might have taken second place, 9.85.
The world has now seen what Kishane Thompson has to offer this season, and it shows that he can go a lot faster. But whether he wins the 100-meter at the Tokyo World Championship or not is something only time will tell. So far, all we know is that Kishane Thompson is in the best shape of his life, and the world should look out for more fantastic performances as the Tokyo World Championship is roughly 3 months away. From overcoming injuries to achieving personal bests and world-leading times, Thompson has showed the world what true grit looks like. As the Tokyo World Championships approach, there's no doubt that he's ready for the challenge. Now, tell us what you think. Will Kishane Thompson claim the 100-meter gold at the Tokyo World Championships? Or will the fierce competition hold him back? With his consistency and personal best of 9.75 seconds, how do you think he'll perform in the upcoming competition? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Also, check out our video on the top 5 performances at the Jamaica National Championship. If you enjoyed this deep dive into Kishane Thompson's journey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting updates on your favorite athletes. Hit that notification bell so you never miss a new video. This is Caribbean Focus Sports. See you in the next video.